Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can use AI, artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, and a methodology that can truly support you and help you scale your business to levels that is never known before. So stick around till the end of this video to find out all the amazing strategies that we're bringing you every single day. And one of the things that you have to keep in mind is the fact that we are making these videos to give you that competitive advantage that you've been looking for. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how you can harness the power of artificial intelligence in the dropshipping business and how you can scale your business to heights that is never known before. So without further ado, let's dive in. Now, Shopify.com is a platform that is globally been recognized. You can build your business with Shopify. You can sell online, offline, and everywhere in between. And the best thing is that you can discover why millions of entrepreneurs have chosen Shopify to build their business. With millions of merchants worldwide, it gives us an opportunity to study the different strategies that are available. And after intensively studying those strategies, we have come to the conclusion of the right methodology that is required to help you start a business in the right direction, in the right way, with the right strategies and methodology. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon, because we are bringing you content that will truly revolutionize your dropshipping business. They're present in 170 countries and done a total of 10% of the total US commerce and a global economic activity of $444 billion. Now, if you scroll down, you can see your store the way that you want, and you can build an online store, craft the brand that you want, level up with the apps, and sell to every buyer everywhere. And the best converting checkout on the planet is available with Shopify. And the thing that I absolutely love about Shopify is the flexible point of sale to power the retail store. From the first touch to the full funnel, you can reach new leads, engage with your customers, and the data that you can build on. You can even streamline your back office and oversee your operations and fulfill every order and manage the money where you make it. It's quite simple and straightforward. If you don't have a Shopify account, just click in the description below on the link and get your account now, or just click on start the free trial. Once you click start the free trial, you'll be asked a couple of questions which are very important to answer. The first one is that which of these best describe you? You're just starting off, or already selling online, or in person? We're going to go for the fact that we're just starting off and we want to create an online store, a social media, in-person, existing blog, or online marketplace. We're going to go with an online store. And then this is the most important thing: what kind of products are you going to sell? Is it product that you've made or making yourself? Is it digital product? Is it services? Is it print on demand or drop shipping products? We're going to go with the fact that it's drop shipping products. After doing that, you need to select a name, and obviously this is very important, guys, but for this video I am just selecting a generic name over here to make sure we can start our account in the right way. So let's do that and just click on next. After you do it, you will have to say where your business is going to be located. Just press next on it or select the country or region where you're based. And after doing that, the last element that you have is to, in order to create a Shopify ID, you can continue with your email, with your Apple, with your Facebook, or your Gmail account. I always use my Gmail because I feel that Gmail is the easiest and simplest way to start your account. So let's click on the Gmail that we want to use, and once we do that, sit back, relax, and wait for your store to be created. Once you sign in, this is what your dashboard is going to look like, guys. On the left hand side, you're going to have your home, your orders, your product, your customers, your content, analytics, marketing, and discount. Now, the question over here a lot of people tend to ask is that how do we start our online business? Now, if you look over here, you have the products. Now, if you want to add or sell anything, you can easily click on add your product, and once you do that, what happens is that you would be asked to fill in a bunch of elements such as the title, the description, and the other elements for it. Now, before you do that, the big question comes is what you're gonna sell. Now, this is where the whole artificial intelligence element comes in, because back in the day, about a year or 2 years ago, 3 years ago, a decade ago, this artificial intelligence did not exist. But today's time, we have the help of AI to give us and put us on the right track and give us the right information. So let's head over to ChatGPT. Now, once we get over here, it's quite simple and straightforward. What we're going to do is simply ask the questions, and the AI is going to do the research and give us a response. So we're going to ask, what are the top 5 niche to start dropshipping in? Once we do that, it is actually going to go research and find out the different niches that are available that we can enter. It could be health and wellness, it could be home decor, it could be beauty and skincare, it could be be pet products, or even more than that, the most important, it could be electronics. Now, the good thing about ChatGPT is that it does its research. Now, if you look at health and fitness, it says this niche includes products related to fitness, weight loss, supplements, self-care. With a growing interest in health and wellness, this niche has a large target audience. Now, what has happened right now is that it understood the different elements available, and based on it, it gave us the top 5 niches. If you look at home decor, it says that this niche includes home furniture, decorations, other accessories. As people spend more time at home during COVID-19, the demand for home decor products have significantly increased. Now, each element over here gives us a complete breakdown and gives us the reason why they were selected. Now, obviously, if you look at electronics, this niche includes gadgets, smartphones, laptops, other electronic devices. With the rapid advancement in technology, this niche has constantly been growing target audience. The competition in this niche is high and the profit margins can be low. So this is something that we might want to stay away from. And obviously, we can always go for somewhere that has the right element available. Head over to this platform, which is called AliExpress.com. And we're going to paste supplements and search. And then we're going to see exactly what kind of elements that comes over. So once we look at it, we can easily find out that these are supplements that people really want to buy. यार ये तो गलत हो गया ये चेक करें सप्लीमेंट्स की किस किस्म की चीज़ें आने शुरू हो गई हैं तो अच्छा कोई और करते हैं कोई और करते सप्लीमेंट्स नहीं करते हाँ तो फिर भी कुछ ना कुछ आ जाए कुछ और करते हैं. So let's check out something very interesting over here. If you look at these elements, number 3, you have beauty and skincare. This niche includes makeup, skincare, beauty accessories. As people become more conscious about their looks and the importance of self-care, the beauty and skincare niche continues to grow. So let's select beauty accessories. Now, the good thing over here is that the research has been done for you. After we copy beauty accessories, we're going to head over to AliExpress.com. Now, on this platform, you can find exactly where this product is, who's buying this product, and how much profit you can make off this product. Now, look at the beauty accessories available. This product over here is actually for 99 cents. They've sold 5,000. They've sold 10,000 at 99 cents. They've easily made $10,000 profit on it. If you look over here, they've actually sold this for 50 cents and sold 10,000 of this. If you scroll down, you can clearly see that this is definitely one of those elements that really does have a good market that's available, that we can actually get this product and ensure that it's definitely gonna sell. So let's scroll right up to the top over here and select this product. This is for 50 cents. And if you want to buy this product, we can easily get this product from AliExpress and start selling it. So as we get this product, what we're going to do is quite simple and straightforward. We're going to copy this information from here and then ask ChatGPT to give us different titles for this particular product. All we did was actually put this information in and say, give me another title. It has given us a blend like a pro mini makeup sponge for flawless foundation application. So let's head back to our Shopify account. So the title is going to be this. It's going to be blend like a pro for a foundation application. We're going to copy it from here and we're going to paste the title. Now the question comes is that we need to put a description. Now, one of the major problems a lot of people tend to face is that they would need to do a search engine optimization on the description to ensure that it gets ranked. But with ChatGPT, you don't need to do that. All we need to do is tell ChatGPT to give us a product description for the titles. And as we do that, it is going to give us a complete description for this particular product. Now, the good thing is that it goes in great detail, researches, and puts together a full description for you so you don't need to write it. And this is a description that is actually been developed and written by the proper element of doing a search engine optimization. So you already have a search engine optimization done from here. So the SEO is done. All we need to do is copy and paste this. Now, as we do that, you can easily put the pictures that you want that are available over here, download them and upload them onto your Shopify account. We can put the price and we can even ask the price. So we're going to say, what is the average price for this product? Now, this is something quite interesting because they will go in great detail and research and find the element of the price that is going to be required for this in the market. So it's $5 to $15. We can get this for 50 cents. So the price we're going to put over here is $9.99. Now, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the most important thing, which is the search engine listing. So this is exactly what your element is going to look like, and you can find and you can put in as many different products that you want by the use of the ChatGPT. It's quite simple and straightforward. Now, if you got any questions whatsoever, guys, you can always ask me and I'll be more than happy to help you, guide you, support you, and to assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and families and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.